Hi guys, Asika Kyora. So today I have a surprise for you guys. I have something different. Look at this. This is iPhone 8 Plus. And look at this damage fucking and it's not as straight. Look at this. It's a little bit crooked. So I have to fix this phone and it's totally damaged. And this customer, he went to 3 shops, and one shop shopkeeper said it's unfixable. We can't fix this because it's body damage or could be something inside damage. And then he went to other shop and he said the fixing cost would be $400 to $500 for this. And other ones he says same thing, $400 to $500 and I think $600 to fix. And I think it's a standard fixing cost in the market, $500 to $600 for putting new body and everything, whatever. So but the customer, he not able to pay $500 to $600 for this phone. So he come to me and I checked the phone. Phone is working. Phone nothing wrong. Phone is good. It's still working. Only it's a damage. Body is totally 99% or 100% are damaged. And you can see here the body is cracked in 2 pieces. Here you can see. So he come to me and he requests to me, can you fix it? And so I accept this challenge. I say okay, I will fix it. But I didn't charge much. I'm not gonna charge from him much. I just say okay, I will charge $250 for this. Only $250 for fixing this phone. So I'm gonna fix this. So I will show you in next video, because I just ordered the part. I have no housing for this phone. Housing means the body. So I have to order the body first. I already ordered that, so I will get tomorrow or after 2 days. So then I will show you video so you guys can see. You can watch my video. I will fix live in front of you guys in the video so you can see. So wait for my next video. Thanks for watching my video and see you in next video. Bye.